have another home parcel and it's from West Wing. I feel like I've ordered quite a few things from West Wing, but they do have so nice things and really nice taste. So this is a carpet for underneath my couch, and I'm really excited to see how it looks and if the color looks nice, and also if it makes the room more cozy like I envision it. So yeah, we will unpack it and I will show you how it looks like. This is how the carpet is doing in my living room right now. I think it looks pretty small, but let's see how I will work with it. If I change something, I will definitely update you guys. And there are a few more bits arriving this week or in the next days, also for this corner here. So yeah. Another day, another parcel. This is my living room lamp. It's a silver lamp with a band, and it's supposed to go over my couch. And I'm really looking forward to see how it will look like, build up. And let me tell you, this parcel weighs about 18 kilos. And I had to carry this from the postal office to my flat and up my stairs alone. That was quite a workout, but I did it and I'm really excited to build it up now. Let me show you the newest addition to my home. It's this lamp. We built it up and it's in this corner right here at the moment, and I think it fits really nicely. I mean, everything I put in this living room looks really tiny because my ceiling is so high, but I think it fits the vibe and I envision it like this, and it does look how I envisioned it. And yeah, really love the look of it and how it's making it look together. And the carpet as well does a lot, but as I said, it's a really tiny one, so maybe I will change it up to a bigger one anytime soon. But yeah, that's the newest addition. Present you the finished kitchen organization shelf. So the white one is the newest addition. I already filled it with a bunch of kitchen supplies that are better hidden here because it's not very aesthetic. And then we have this like very minimalistic shelving unit here that just holds a few like aesthetic bits like the glasses. Then my fruits and veggies, and then some more storage items. And it does look very minimalistic now. I will definitely see what I can find and put into this shelf unit. But yeah, that's the finished product. I think it looks so clean. I love that it has these closed cabinets and then like the open shelves beside it, and yeah, can hide a lot of things in it, and I really like how it's looking so far. So today we're gonna tackle this entryway table. I'm really excited for this little DIY project because I feel like it will look so much nicer and really cool when it's all done. So let me tell you what I've planned to do. So I planned to paint this upper plate. I'm not exactly sure if it's real wood or not, but I bought some wood color in dark brown, of course, because this is kind of a theme for my apartment, and I'm gonna paint it. And then I'm also gonna change this mirror. I currently have my old mirror here. It's this round one with some black edges, and I'm gonna exchange it for a square mirror that is also quite big and hopefully gonna cover this electric thing in the back, but we will see how that will work out. But the mirror got delivered today, so that's amazing. Yeah, so these are my plans for this little project here, and I would say let's get to painting. Okay, so let me show you what color I got. So I chose this color, dark brown, and it's a wood color. It's from Hornbach. Online, I couldn't find any similar products at other stores, so I got this one. I hope I made the right choice and this color is gonna work for this wooden top I have. But we will try it out and we will see how many coats I will need, because you can see there are some uneven things. And I'm a little lazy, so I'm just gonna paint over everything and not gonna like prepare this top any further. But yeah, we'll see how it works, and I hope it will work out the way I envision it. Paint is on, and I think it looks kind of reddish, but I really hope that it dries up in a darker, more nutty and rich brown. So we will see, but I feel like just with this one coat of color and like the contrast of the dark brown, it already has such, it looks so much different. It has so much more character, I feel like, and it looks way more vintage and yeah, just the way I envision it. So I think the dark brown was a good choice, and I will definitely paint a second coat on this little side table. But this is how we got so far, and I think it looks quite pretty. So, let me present you my finished entry table. So I did 2 coats of the dark brown wood color, and this is how it turned out. I think the color looks pretty good. It's a bit more reddish than I originally envisioned it, but it definitely looks great. I think the contrast looks amazing, and it looks like as if this little table has had a dark brown finish all along. So I think it looks really natural. Also love the little details. The silver knobs I changed out, and then of course the headpiece is the mirror. It's not hanging yet, but it will be hopefully hang up someday. But yeah, I think it matches way better with this table, just a square one, pretty simple, and you can definitely check out your outfit and and look yourself in the mirror before you go. Then I also added some fresh flowers, just a little something, because I feel like if you come home from work, this is the first thing you see, and I think it's gonna make me really happy seeing some fresh, cute little flowers. So this is more kind of the decorative side of my table. Also having my perfume here because it's the last step in the morning for me. And then over here we have lots of my jewelry, if not all of my jewelry stored, because this is also a good place for me to put everything on. And then we also have these drawers where I keep just some winter accessories, for example, some scarves. And then here also my gloves and hats. And we also have over here a bit of a chaotic one with some sunglasses, glasses, and little bits like this, for example, for my coat. And yes, some shoe cleaning stuff. So this is really amazing for that. And underneath I just have a few pairs of my shoes stored, the ones that I wear almost daily. And also a new addition is this carpet. I'm not sure if I like the texture of it as much, but it's definitely a good texture for this entry kind of way, because too light color would have not made any sense for this entryway, I think, because I will come in here with some dirty or wet shoes. But yeah, this is the carpet I chose. It wasn't that expensive, so I guess it's okay. And then let's turn around the other way. Here I have this clothing rack that I've owned before, and just hang up all my coats and winter jackets here. And also on the edge right here I placed my little umbrella. I think it looks quite cute, and it has a nice space here where it's a bit hidden. And also this hides kind of electric stuff that's placed down here, so I think it's a perfect solution for the space. And then I also added this Billy shelf from IKEA right here, also with the little silver knob. And in here I store some more of my shoes, which is so smart, I think. So I have like summer shoes, sneakers, some different kind of shoes, and also here a little compartment to store some of my bags that I use daily, so that they are stored away. If, I don't know, someone's coming, I can just throw my bag in here and I know that it's packed and ready to go for me outside. And then in the compartment down here I'm storing just some random bits and bobs. It's not very static, I'm not gonna show it to you. But yeah, so that was my solution to have this space here a little bit more organized. So please let me know what you think, if you like it. I think it turned out really nicely. Love the little DIY I did with the table. And yeah, I'm really excited for this to be finally ready.